Is your BMW 645Ci's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are faulty door hood switches, a sensitive interior sensor, or a dying siren battery. First, inspect your door and hood switches for corrosion, misalignment, or loose wiring. These switches signal the alarm when a door or the hood is opened. Next, the interior sensor, which detects movement inside the car, might be too sensitive or malfunctioning due to dust or moisture. Finally, the Siren has its own rechargeable battery that can weaken over time, causing false alarms. Use a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner to read error codes for quicker diagnosis, which can pinpoint the exact sensor or module causing the issue. Many fixes are DIY friendly, with replacement parts readily available online. Once you've identified the problem, you can attempt a DIY fix or seek professional help. For faulty switches, replacement is often straightforward. Purchase a new switch online for around $20 to $50, disconnect the battery, remove the old switch, and install the new one. Waterproofing the new switch with dielectric grease is recommended. For interior sensor issues, try cleaning the sensor or adjusting its sensitivity. If the Siren battery is the problem, replacing it requires more technical skill due to its location and wiring. A simple reset can be performed by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. For complex issues, or if the alarm continues after component replacement, a professional reset using BMW's EASTA decoding tool may be necessary. Dealerships often update the DME software to address known alarm glitches, potentially reducing false triggers. Consider preventive maintenance using apps like Torque Pro to monitor your alarm module for early detection of issues, and be aware of BMW's official service bulletins.